How to use referral code on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll show you on how to use our code in a Shein app. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Shein application. For that, open Play Store and then search for Shein. And if you see an update button over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. After it's updated, launch the application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on the Me section in the bottom right corner of the screen, click on More Services, and then go to Share and On. And here you'll see the copy option. Simply click on Copy, and you can also share this directly with your friends through different social media platforms. You can copy the link, save the image. Now, once you've invited the friends, your friends should register to Shein, and then only you can earn the rewards. You can also go ahead and click on this detailed rules option. And here you can see the indication that once you shared your referral code, you and your friends will be rewarded automatically. You can go to My Coupons and then receive the reward. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can use the referral code on Shein. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.